leave you.
Come on, get out of here. What's wrong with you?
Silent is the best answer.
Give it to a fool like you. When will you stop behaving like an old woman? Look at the way you are dressed. Where are you going?
It's not in the evening. It's late at night.
You look irritating.
Where am I supposed to be going? Hey, I'm not even allowed to go anywhere apart from, being your housewife. And then this very night, I get myself as usual. I'm ready nice. Today is not Friday. Today is Friday. Stop insulting me all the time. Stop. You should manage me the way I am. You know this is how I am. This powder, it smells really good, eh? Oh, God.
Come, what's wrong with you? What's the meaning of this now?
Papa Linda, what is it with you? What is it always with you?
You are very, very irritating.
What did I do?
Papa Linda, very local, a bushwoman like you. You call him Papa Linda, you are not even romantic.
Hey! Nothing I will do for you that you like. I just took my shower. I got dressed for you. I put powder on. I am looking good. And you are still complaining. Maybe because you have been seeing other women. Am I not looking beautiful enough like this?
Look at the mirror.
Eh? Papa Linda.
Look at yourself from head to toe.
Papa Linda.
Look at yourself from head to toe. Look at what are you saying? Putting wrapper on your chest and you say you are going to the bed?
I'm going to bed now with you now.
Like this?
You don't like it like this? How? It's not beautiful like this. This is how housewife is supposed to dress. This is how good housewife supposed to dress. This is how I was brought up. That once, when we were dating, I was always dressing good. But because I wanted to get more of your attention, I wanted you to love me. But my mother taught me that once I am already, married inside my husband's house, this is the best way, to dress. And whenever I apply powder like this, it means that I am giving my husband a signal. This is the meaning of it. I don't know how come my husband is always difficult, guys. Eh? That is a sign. You will be singing. This is how you make your husband to know that something is going to happen. Who they remember this style? This is how I was brought up. My husband is complaining again all the time. Nothing I do or I does. Nothing I did. Everything is always wrong. Me, I don't know. What is your problem?
That complaint will kill you.
Papa Linda.
That complaint, you've turned me to somebody else.
Papa Linda.
I hate you. Stop calling me that name, Papa Linda.
What is your name again?
You don't have sweet name to call me like my sweetheart, my love, the sugar in my tea, my pride. Don't, Papa Linda. Looks very, very irritating. Look at what you are putting. Look at from head to toe. My people, is it wrong for me to, in search of a wife, to say, okay, let me look for a responsible girl, all in the name of a responsible girl, and look at what I got. Look at what I got as a responsible woman. Look at her skin. Her skin is so dull. She cannot apply makeup. She looks irritating.
Okay, you have been the one complaining that I am not neat.
You have body odor. You have body odor.
I just took my shower now. It was 3 days ago I took my shower last. I just took my shower just now.
My people, I cannot understand this. As a woman, you have to wash yourself thoroughly. you have to apply some kind of deodorant to use so that you smell good. But my wife here, if I come close to her, she's having this odor.
Yeah.
And that stops me from making love to her. It's very, very annoying. I have complained and complained and complained
Papa
and
Linda,
complained.
you are
I'm
insulting
tired.
me, oh.
That is just the fact.
Papa Linda, you are insulting me, oh. Nnamo. Nnam.
Right, it's
Nnam is insulting me, oh.
Look at Papa Linda.
Nnam is insulting me, oh.
Nnam.
Nothing I did, oh. I just look good for my husband. Is that bad?
Look good for
okay,
who?
I did. You complained. Nnam. Papa Linda, my love. Make I talk her like that. Papa Linda.
You are annoying.
Hey.
You are annoying.
Now what for you? Oh? This is a Hollandis. I kept in my cupboard for my meeting day. The things I need to go for my sweet mother meeting. Oh no, say this sweet mother meeting there for grads. Ha! Now every so sweet mother now with the degen we go put on gold. Normally now they wear this.
Look at.
So because I want to surprise my husband, I bath, I put everything here. See, this is a sign to let him know that I'm ready. He's already complaining. What have I done to you?
You don't know how to make up? Look at your eyelash, or it's not eyelash you call it. Look at how it is.
You complain too much.
Can't you emanate from your friends? Can't you copy from your friends?
I copy now. That is why I have chewing gum in my mouth.
Your mouth even smells. You don't even.
You don't love me anymore. Maybe that is why.
How will I love a woman like this?
What is it now? You complain about too many things. You are complaining about my mouth is smelling. You are complaining about that I'm not neat. You are complaining about my dressing. So that means everything about me, none is good. Okay, my people, how I am dressing. Now the village, we say na village. Is it bad to dress like this? No, we are living in Australia. We are in Europe. The way I'm dressing, guys, is it not fine like this?
Please.
Is it not fine?
My people, I want to say it in the comment section there. Is it good for a woman, a wife, not an old woman, to dress like this going to bed?
It's easier. It's only nothing under. It is easier. It is easier.
This is my problem. This is the problem I have.
For Papa Linda, it is easier for you.
Because you are always right.
Eh?
This is the problem I'm having with you. You are always right. You don't listen. You don't take correction.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Please, go and take this thing off. This thing is irritating me.
But this is not what I wear when I'm going to the church. When you are taking me to the church, I always dress very sexy, guys. Whenever my husband is taking me to the church, I always dress sexy.
Please, can you show them what the kind of sexy you dress to the church, please? Because you've turned me to a liar now on social media. You've turned me to a liar. Look at who you're... Oh, God.
I don't suffer for your hand, Papa Linda. Oh. I don't suffer for your hand, and they tell you, oh, I have suffered in your arms, so I'm tired. Now you want me to go and dress the way I used to dress to the church, and you know you don't use. This is my authentic clothes, you know, very beautiful and sexy. This is not how I dress every day now.
Please,
this one is mainly to sleep.
You go and change and show them the kind of sexy clothes you say you put on to church. You please, you change.
Just for you, oh, so that you will not say I'm stubborn.
I'm very, very stubborn. Please, my people, share this video. Let this video go viral. Because there are so many things that causes problem in our marriages. Most especially when a woman don't know how to dress. The woman does not know how to communicate. You know, the woman cannot take good care of herself. Those kind of things drives men outside. And she is not ready to listen. Any woman that is not ready to listen will never go far. There will always be problem at home. So please, let her change the clothes that she is saying that she normally dress sexy to the church. She dressed very good to the... So,
Is this not beautiful? This is how I dress to the church. Is it not sexy? Is it not sexy enough for my husband? Am I not looking beautiful? Look at this hair. Look at it. Am I not looking beautiful, people? Eh? This is how I dress to the church. My husband complains all the time. I'm tired. Am I not looking? I'm trying to respect my husband, though. I am really trying to respect you. Eh? You've called me several names for today, and I've gotten enough of it. Really, I'm trying to charge now. I want to charge.
Charging.
And you are not satisfied with this. You cannot do with this. Okay, let me go and put on another one. Now what for you? You're a troublemaker. Maybe you don't love me anymore. These are the ways you always wanted it. You never complain. No wonder you've not been sleeping with me anymore. Me self, I've been not care. Now you know now. What you concern me?
How do you expect me to sleep with you?
Yeah. How not?
Pity for you.
What did I do? How not you sleep with me? You said I'm dirty.
My Juliet.
Hey.
My Juliet.
Your ex-girlfriend, Abby?
That girl is very, very... no. She's hot.
Oh, yeah, nah. What about this? Is this not beautiful, guys? Look at this one. Is this not beautiful? This is how I dress all the time. Is this not cute?
And...
Is it not sexy?
And...
Look at it.
You know, and the funniest thing is that this clothes that she's even putting on stinks.
It's not smelling.
It's
your
smelling.
nose.
Because...
It's your nose.
This clothes is smelling sweat, my dear. How come you are too dirty?
How often am I supposed to wash one clothes now? It's clothes I wear to the church every Sunday. It does not get dirty very easily. I wash it maybe once in a year. Or once in 6 months. I don't wash it all the time. Do I need to wash my clothes all the time?
No,
it's too much stress, guys. It's too much stress. Once in 6 months, I wash it because I only wear it to the church. Once I come back home, I go to my normal, regular clothes that I always use to follow Papa Linda to bed.
Stop calling me Papa Linda, my dear. Stop calling me Papa Linda. Can't you call me sweet names? Calling me Papa Linda, you know, it kills my morale.
My love.
There are so many things that irritates me where you are.
My love. This one where you won't put me so. You're not good though.
You are not used to it.
You're not good.
You are not used to it.
So you are not good with this.
I said the cloth stinks.
So, but if I wash it, it's good enough.
This one is Agbada now. What kind of...
This thing is Agbada.
Hey.
It's your... People, just tell me, your husband also do complain like this? Your husband, does your husband also... Hey, he say, I love this one. Look at it. Is this not beautiful?
This one is maternity gown for pregnant women. This one is not what you can put on for your husband. How will you put on something like this?
Yeah.
Look at you are even chewing gum.
You don't like the chewing gum. This is how the young ladies in all those young ladies. That is how.
Look at the hair you are even putting on. Please go and change this thing.
Guys, nothing I do.
Please go and change it. Go and change it.
Okay. Okay, oh. You are a difficult man, oh. Very, very difficult. You are very, very difficult.
Please, as a man, feel free to tell your wife how you want it. It's very, very important. You know, instead of you looking someone outside, then you have to teach her, tell her what you want her to put on. Because it's very, very important in marriage too. You know, you have to dress sexy for your husband. You have to look attractive, you know. You have to look attractive. You have to look attractive.
So, is this one better? Ask him. Is this better, guys? Ask this man, no. Because I don't go feel judge matter. Now, are you okay?
No, this one is this one is good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, this one is very,
very good. Are you
very
satisfied?
Good. Yeah, I'm satisfied with this.
Do you want me to go to bed with this?
No.
You want me to always come to bed to you all
No,
the time?
you won't go to bed with this, but with this one, so you have this kind of clothes. This kind of, it's very, very beautiful.
But it's too tight. Everybody will be seeing my yarn.
That is what I want.
Look at this. It's too tight.
That is what I want, my dear.
Something like this is what you want.
Yeah.
How come you never told me?
But I've been giving you a sign now. You look so sweet.
And then that made you to put me on live video, and that made you to insult me, telling me that I smell and that and that and that. You would have corrected me.
Do you know another thing that makes me go crazy? Because when I married my wife, you know, I don't know the kind of life she has led. She told me that she's very, very decent. She's very, very calm and cool. But I found out that after the marriage, you know, I have to obey the Bible that you don't have to do after before marriage. But at the end of the day, when I got married to her, I found out that this her 2 headlights was down. Yeah, now. But now with this dressing now, at least your 2 headlights is now up. At least it looks attractive. Not that kind of wrapper you just wrapped on your chest. Everything rests on this thing. But at least even if it is dressed, you have to package it very, very well so that it looks attractive for your husband. Because if we are going outside, we look at those ones that are attractive. Those.
I just want to obey you this time, oh. I just want to listen. On a good day, I for show you Pepe. I for show you Pepe. How much do you give to me to do all this dressing? How much? You select, you ask for this, you ask for that, you ask for... Have you ever bought me cream?
You started...
Have you ever bought...
You started again. You wait for me to finish.
Go
I have plans for you. That is why I ordered cream for you.
Hey, you ordered for me?
Yeah. Zara Organic Skin Empire.
Wow. Let me have it.
She's based in Germany. She's into organic cream. Any kind of cream you want. She has different kind of cream.
Did you buy all this for me?
Yeah, I bought them for you.
Oh my God, this is vitamin C.
Yeah.
Face syrup. Wow.
There's so much.
Thank you so much. You never told me.
Yeah. When you start using this Zara Organic Skin Empire, you see you start glowing.
Lightning.
Yeah, lightning the body butter cream. Yeah.
Wow.
You know?
Wow.
You start looking cool. You start looking good.
Guys, look at this. I never knew. Hey, I never knew my husband has been planning something good for me. So please, guys, I think it is good for us to listen to our husband. I think it is very, very proper for us to listen to our husband. Okay? Actually, I was not dressing good. When I look at the mirror right now, I think I love myself. Guys, do you like the way I'm dressed? Eh? Do you like the way I'm dressed now? You prefer? I think I like it better than all those, according to my husband, he said it's a maternity dress, gown. Oh my gosh. Now imagine tomorrow after I finish applying my makeup, I'm going to look cute. And besides, because of this Zara Organic Skincare Empire, I'm going to be taking my shower, in fact, every day, because I really want my skin to be glowing. I want to do anything to please my husband. I want to do everything to please my husband, guys. You see, she has a lot. This is a face scrub. My husband. And with this one, I can call you my love, my darling, and everything. With this, you know, men also go to the market, place an order for your wife. It feels good. If your wife is always a nagging type, if your wife is not neat, I think the proper way for you to really make her dress up is go to the market, buy her that thing which is lacking. Which she is lacking, go and buy her that. If it is cream, you know, you must not use mouth to talk everything. Sometimes action speaks louder than voice. You go there, you buy her just like the way my husband has just buy for me cream. Sometimes action speaks louder than voice. You go there, you buy her just like the way my husband has just buy. So sorry for that. Sorry about that. Just like the way my husband has just placed an order by Zara Organic Skincare Empire. Thank you so much, my wonderful husband. This cream, just go there and buy yours. All right? So, men.
And if you want to contact her, you can contact her through her Facebook at Joy Idia on Facebook. And her phone number is plus, call the number.
+49 17 655 23 6217. Okay, she has everything that you need. Different kind of skincare that you need. Every black soap and so on. Okay, we are coming more to talk about this woman's cream because if not because of her right now, my husband would have divorced me. My husband would have divorced me. So, men, I understand how you feel. Actually, we are not making this video very long today. Okay? We are not making this video very, very long. Somebody wrote us, and can I read it?
Yeah.
Somebody wrote us that I saw a video where you guys... So, we are going to encourage this, my brother and my wonderful sister that are watching us right now. Okay? So, he said, I saw a video where you guys are advising the men to always have good sex with their wives. Yes, it is true. But in my own case, my wife is not helping me to want to have sex with her. She is not neat. And she doesn't know how to look sexy. So therefore, I don't feel the need to have sex with her. And it is causing a lot of problem in our house. Please, I need your advice. Thank you. And then we started to communicate, guys. We started to communicate. And then and then at the end, there are points that he made here that I wanted to
no, not you. Yeah, bring it. Yeah, you can.
She does not greet me and she doesn't even cook for me. So at the end of the day, I just want to encourage... Give her to me. Give her to me. Come here, baby. She's feeling sleepy. Sorry, dear. Bring the fan a little bit closer. Is it hot? Plug it here. Remove one of the lights. Where can you plug it? So, at the end of the day, I say, it is a little bit complicated because I would rather want to talk to this, our brother, one-on-one, yeah? Because I have a lot of questions I would like to ask. When you guys got married, was she neat? Could it be because she's overwhelmed with a lot of work at home? That is why she has not been able to be taking care of herself.
Somebody said you should call that number again.
Okay. You know, could it be that maybe she's overwhelmed with so much homework, the always domestic work and house chores? That is why she has not been able to put up with those things that she should do by taking care of herself. Because some men do leave all the work for their wives and say, it's your responsibility, it's your responsibility. Taking care of children alone is not easy. Because, okay, maybe there are still many women that are not neat. But when a woman has a lot to do, she will forget herself automatically. Okay? She will not even recognize. And when a woman is not getting compliment from her husband, then at the end of the day, there is no need of her taking extra time to get herself dressed, to make her hair, because she is not even having the opportunity to travel to anywhere. She's not. The husband is not inviting her on a restaurant. The husband is not taking her out on shopping. She is not giving her money. He's not recognizing her. There are some men, they just treat the women like trash. You understand? Now it is I know that maybe there are some women that are very, very dirty, but if your wife was never a dirty woman when you married her, then and she become dirty later on, you can correct her. You can correct her in love. You have to correct her earlier enough. And you cannot cease not making love to your wife because she's not neat. You continue making love to your wife because it's for better and for worse. There are many situations in this world. They say the spiritual also controls the physical. In this case, I am saying, when you go married to your wife, or before you go married to your wife, as you guys were dating, she was keeping neat. She was romantic. She was attractive. And then suddenly, she stopped. It can only be for some reasons. One, because she is having so much to do at home, taking care of the children and house choice, and now they call it, yeah? And then taking care of you, cook, run here and there. She does not have time for herself. She's stressed up. It's too much work. For men, sometimes you will think, this is medicine, baby. You can't take it. For men, sometimes you think what we are doing is too less, as in the women are not really trying. It's not true. If you happen to stay home alone with 4 or 5 children, even with 3 children, you will understand that Jesus is Lord. You get? So, and then don't keep it in mind, or, you continue to accumulate what is really bothering you because you don't want to speak. Continue to correct your wife. Take her out on a shopping. Make her also, give her some time. Make her as a first priority. Make her feel special. Tell her what to do. Maybe even while making the love. Even while managing the moment. And then you correct her and say, I want you to do it like this. I want you to clean up. I want you to wear this kind of hair. You can see the hair on social media. Order you for your wife. Just like when my husband now just ordered a cream, skincare for me. We women, we appreciate it a lot. Let's stop complaining. I know there are many small things we do live for. Let God solve it. So sometimes some problem we can solve by ourselves. We are bringing it to the church. You understand? We are bringing it to the church. So let's sort our problem out as well. Let's solve our own problems as well by correcting our partner. She is your partner. She is your love. He said, I have a question. Yeah, go ahead. Ask me your question. Ask me your question. He said, true talk. Thank you. Ask me your question. Okay, I will be waiting for your question. Please, where can I get the cream? Okay, just call that number that my husband has already sent.
I want to pin the number.
He wants to pin the number, okay? And then you write it there with organic skin cream.
Yeah.
Okay? So, if that is the question, then it's already answered. He said, yes, you really need to ask him. Yeah? Yes. Men, take care of your wives. And women, I don't know if there is any woman today that is no longer neat, that is not keeping herself neat, that is not looking attractive. You have to look sexy. That's why, you have to be a side chick and a wife at the same time. This is an advice from my side. If your husband is telling you, apart from maybe you guys are Jehovah's Witness, or maybe you guys are deeper life, something like that. But even then, still try to keep, like what I just wore now, what I'm just wearing right now, it's not too short. It's not really too mini. It's really matured and as well very beautiful and sexy. Keep yourself neat if there is any woman like that, because like this, our brother already complained that the woman is not neat. I don't know if she was always like that before, but I believe it's only one thing that can keep a woman away from not taking a shower, being it. The man is not really putting her as a first priority, not giving her attention, not really caring for her, not giving her any reason to, there are some situations you can be in, and then going to even take your shower self, you are so reluctant because it makes no sense to go and take your shower. For whom? Carry your hair, makeup, taking 1 hour to make up. For whom? When your husband does not even look at your face. He does not acknowledge you. He does not help you with the work at home. You do the cleaning, you do the washing, you do the everything. Okay? At the end of the evening, you are exhausted. So even when your husband will want to make love to you, you will not want it because you are so tired. Once you are very tired, you can never perform well. Your brain is already weak. No way you can perform very well. So my brothers and sisters, not only by complaining, also try to work hard. Working and making it work is different. We have to make things work. We have to make our relationship work. Before we got married to our wives, We were working very hard by bringing her there, taking her to tantalize her, you know, using torchlight to look for her. We were bending down for our father-in-law, our mother-in-law. You know, we were expecting our girl. Then immediately, we just got married to our woman. We start proving, I am the man of the house. You have to do this. You have to cook and serve me. Now the woman go cook, serve you. Now the woman go take care of the children. Now she go wake up very early in the morning, get the children dressed, take them to school. Now she go pick them up. Now she go prepare lunch for them. Now she go farm or go anywhere or do shopping. Now she go clean. No, it's not easy. You have to learn how to support your wife if that is the case. And secondly, if your wife was already a dirty person, then you don't have to complain now. But I don't believe that she was a dirty person, not being neat, not cooking and all those things, then you still married to her. I can never believe that you did, that she was that bad. I believe maybe it was later because something attracted you to her. You understand? Now, my advice to you is that take care of your wife. It can also be spiritual. They say the spiritual controls this physical. It can also be spiritual. So it is your duty. You cannot just neglect your wife like that. You have to fight. It is your bone or bone and flesh or flesh or whatever. You must be there. You must, pray with her. Be there for her. Correct her with that love and that bond you guys have. Then devil has no power. Can never do anything or come in between both of you. You understand? Don't always, my wife's supposed to know the right thing to do. My husband is supposed to know the right thing to do. Especially when there is no domestic violence. Manage the relationship. Make the relationship work. Life is exactly how you make it, my brother. You stop making love to this woman. She is getting more angry. Problem is even increasing more and more. Because a woman you don't touch, a woman you don't kiss, a woman you don't make love to, she is always angry, guys. She will always be angry if only you are ready to divorce her. And if you divorce this woman, what about the one you are going to marry? Do you want to live what do you call it? A double life, like having two wives. What they call it?
Polygamous.
Polygamous home.
Living a polygamy in the family.
The other one you are going to bring now, maybe that one now go be okpo. That one go still have error. So the one you have, build it. I love your talk, dear. Thank you. The one you have, my brother, I invited you here. Please, build your home. Take care of your wife. Women are just like babies. Women are just like babies. If I beat you, you are not going to suck breast anymore. No more breasts. We have to stop.
It's okay.
Because she's stopping to take breasts. I have to stop her. Cry. Take her upstairs.
It's okay. It's okay.
You understand? She's not taking breast again. Me, I'm tired. I didn't do that to my mother. Yeah. Want to suck breast for 2 years. Let me see what now. You understand? So my wonderful brother, I don't know. I have not been able to ask you how was she then. Women are like babies. Let me tell you, I am a very hard woman. I'm a very strict person. Yeah, you can even call me a troublemaker. The way I be so. As you see me so I like pa, I be like a young lady. I know they like give you. I be strong person. I have never fought any battle and lose. I even say I never fight. You look for my trouble, I fight you reach ground. If I won't leave you, I won't just leave you. Not be say I am right from little. I used to behave like a man. I think I am a man. I'm supposed to be a man in my family. I know they let go like that. I'm a very strict person and as well very loving. But I don't just like injustice and I don't like you taking advantage of me. And the worst part about me is that I smell whatever you are bringing in. Sometimes I can't point my finger at it. Now, what am I trying to say if I want to stop things about me? My husband can handle me. Why? Because he just brought me down. He just brought me down. He just make me calm by treating me like a child. My husband started treating me like a child. Like a little baby. I become like a baby with my husband. I am weak. The best way you can make a woman calm down to anything you say is by treating her like a child. Because literally, we are your children. We are your child. We are your supporter. We love you. You are the sayer. You understand? So treat your woman like a child by telling her, baby, you go and take your shower. Or baby, I just bought you this cream. I love it. You can use indirectly to correct your wife in love. You sweet mouth. Babe, you look sweet. Oh, even if she's not looking sweet. I just bought this thing. Become a man that buys your wife things that will keep her attractive to you. If only the attraction is the problem and the neatness is the problem. You come back from work, you hold her for back like this. Oh, baby, let's say you have been working too much. You smell a little bit like sweat. Let both of us go and take our shower. You can put the water in the bucket, and then this one go take, this one go pour water for this one body, this one go pour water for this one body, this one go say, ah, look at you. There is always a better moment to, be there for your wife or be there for one another late in the night. Sometimes me and my husband, we wake up around 12. We sit down here. If we have to drink a glass of wine, we drink a glass of wine. We talk 12 o'clock, especially Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Because like this now, Munachi will not let us, have time for ourselves. We wake up anytime that Munachi is sleeping already, the other ones are sleeping. We really want to have a cool moment. We go and take our shower just late at night. Both of us. Take care of your things. Take care of your property. When you got married, what you said that very day is that, he said, good talks make announce to flee away. Thank you. When you got married that very day, you said for better, for worse. Now, why just thinking my wife is not neat, my wife is not attractive? Because before you got married to her, she was better. She was good. Bring her back. Help her. Since you are the one that is complaining, then help your wife. You say maybe she nagged too much. Then must have you questioned her in love. Invite her on a restaurant. Take 30 naira, 50 naira. I don't know how much it costs. I don't know where this person is actually. I don't know. If he's in Europe, with 20 euro, you can go to the restaurant. Go to the market. First of all, buy her the things that you need. Let her wear this one. You will see love go there sweet. Small money can make love sweet. You don't need too much. The men should always take care of their wives. Stop nagging. Stop believing my wife. And always support your wife in the kitchen. Support your wife at home. If your wife, you see some women, they are carrying baby at the back. They are pregnant. Your husband is walking along with them. They are carrying something on the head. And their husband is just carrying a cutlass. You can't do that now. Support your wife. She's angry, even if she refused to tell you, baby, help me carry this load. She is angry because you're supposed to use your tongue to count your teeth. So, my wonderful brother, sorry that maybe you brought me this topic and I'm the one advising you. You told me I should advise you, right? And I'm advising you from the bottom of my heart. And I'm taking time. Actually, when we are doing this kind of arting, we don't speak so long. We art and art and art. Okay? On a good day, there's nothing much to art on this topic because when a woman is not dressing good, it is your duty to correct her. When a woman is not neat, you come back home, you go hold her for back. As you just hold her for back, you don't give her a kiss for, yeah, baby, you've been busy since morning. Say yes, oh. Have you taken your shower? He said no. Oh yes. But the sun has been too much. Let's go and take our shower together. Let me go and put the water. Let me go and put the water, baby. Eh? Your wife said, go they ask you, say, bros, what did they happen? This one where you say you want to go put water. This thing go they hungry. And then if you cannot go down, like going down to how I talk yesterday said, lick plates. You can use your finger to play with her. You cannot tell me her teeth is smelling, her armpit is smelling, her face is smelling. Use your finger equally to play with her this thing. Just know the best part to touch. Make it wet and touch it for her. She will want it. And the relationship should go on smoothly. There is no time to be marrying 2 wives. No time to marry 2 wives. Life is exactly how you make it. If you cannot make it here, then you can also not make it in, is it California they call it? In New York. If you cannot make it wherever you are, you can also not make it in New York. Or they say if you cannot make it in New York, you cannot make it anywhere. I don't know how the song used to be said. So please, my brother, Please, my brother, take care of your wife. Support your wife. Just support. Be your wife's bestie. Your wife, your gossip partner. Your all and everything. See, my husband, we are always together. One, like I said, I am a very stubborn person. Now come here and they tell you, say, I am a good girl. With my face, you know, say I'm a bad girl. You don't understand me so? I know they tolerate nonsense. As woman, why I be like man. I too they read meaning put for things, guys. Is my weak point. Make I tell you now my weak point. I always read meaning to anything. When you want to insult me, I know. When you want to do anything, my husband knows say I be woman will be say I be gaga. But he can't bring me down by treating me like a little child. Sometimes if I won't go gaga, he go just keep me quiet. You understand? So I don't really know how my husband has been able to take care of me, but it's only him that knows how it works. You understand? So please take care of your wife. Make your wife weak. There is a way you treat your wife. You make her weak. Now, even when you guys are doing and you are touching, you know where I'm talking about. You know, you are touching that small spot. Continue. If she's not yet wet, put speed. Touch her. Touch her. Touch her, brother. Touch her. You must not go down. Touching is also very good. You go see her. Body not be firewood. They tell her sweet things, my love. This is not the way you used to be when we got married. I love you so much. I miss you. You go to touch her. You go to kiss her all year if her mouth they smell. If her mouth has an odor, continue buying her chewing gum. You go be like present. You must not tell her say you get mouth odor. Ah, baby, I'm going to brush my teeth. Oh, are you ready to join me? You will put toothpaste for her. You will put her for her. She's your wife. She's your wife. She's your property. Many men who have left their wife to choose another, they later marry to Ogbanje, marine spirit. They later marry to bad person. They later marry to even witch. The mother-in-law become witch and wizard. So if you are thinking that you are going to marry the better wife tomorrow, when you already have one and you cannot take care, then forget it. Every marriage is supposed to be very beautiful. It depends how you handle it, guys. Every marriage, you see, when you treat a woman right, when you treat a woman very, very beautiful, when you give her all her needs, not financially, I mean, she gonna see you like king. That name of king, my love, my sweetheart, you know, gonna call you Mama Linda or Papa Linda again. Okay? Make her feel free. Please, brother, make this woman feel free. Go back to her. Start up with gradual things. You know, I know you said you have tried. Still try more. If I were you, I would rather do it this way. Tomorrow is Saturday. Just ask her out. You know, write her a letter, write her SMS. Go on your knees. Don't say, I'm not going to go need that for my wife. You are just saving your home. You want to be happy. You want to build a home, not a house. House is empty. A home is a place where there is love. Please share out this video. A home is a place where there is a wife, where there is a woman and children. Not a house you took so much money to build. You know? Hello? Hello, good evening. Please reduce where you are watching me from. Hello? Yeah, please, can you reduce where you are watching me from? So, someone was calling, I don't know. So, like I said, a home is a place where you actually have your own wife. You need a home, not just an empty building, okay? Men, I am talking to you. Please, take care of your wife. If you treat your wife like a little child, she will behave like a little child. Buy her, take her to the market. Even if you give her money to do shopping, you buy her. Now, I was giving this my brother advice. Yeah, I love you so much. I don't know you face to face. I don't even know your name, okay? This is how people write us messages and they want us to present the topic, yeah? So, tomorrow is Saturday. Write her message, SMS, on her phone. Just write it in a way with love. I am inviting you on a date. Please, I love you so dearly that I don't want to lose you. I have realized lately that without you, my life is incomplete. And I have as well realized all the things that I have said to you, that those things are so horrible. Now, how am I going to beg you for forgiveness? Please give me just one more chance to sit there somewhere. I am inviting you on a dinner or on lunch. Let's talk about it. Give me the chance to show you how much I love you. I think devil was at work. Build your home. Make your relationship work. If she does not reply you, go. Just start to the crawl. It does not say, you don't have to tell me you crawl. You don't have to tell your mama say you crawl. You don't have to tell your friends say you crawl, give your wife. Now your wife, they do am. That night, that tomorrow night, you go see, or even me, I go to hear am for years if they shout when she go shout. And make sure say you give her to Ramo. Now she go beg for mercy. Now she go beg for mercy. By the time you are giving it to her that tomorrow, use idea to tell her, baby, let's go and take our shower first. Eh? My fine woman, you know they old at all. When you want old, she go say, yeah. Hey, I hope say my husband not go keep. You know, you take her out, take rest, taxi, sacrifice some things for your wife. Pay for taxi. Take her out on Tantalizer. Open the book and bring her the chair for her. Be a gentleman for a change. Not always bang, 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 bang. Problem. This body, we don't need problem on top. Okay, guys? My wonderful brother, try it tomorrow. Help her at home. Start to do things with her. Buy her cream. Do those things. Correct her in love immediately. Don't always wait until it accumulates. Correct your wife immediately. Correct her immediately. And then correct her with love or indirectly. You know, you're supposed to know your wife better. There is a way you can tell her you smell. And then she will get angry. But there is a way you can tell her, baby, have you taken your shower today? You see, there are different tones. You smell. Ah, baby, your armpit is smelling. Ah, guy. Oh my gosh, you smell. No, you can also tell her, baby, have you taken your shower today? I know you've been having so much stress. She will say no or yes. Ah, maybe you've been working too much. Let's both of us go and take our shower now. What do you think? Yeah, but you have taken your shower right now, baby. Yeah, because of you. Let us go and take a shower. He said, you bad boy. You know, the relationship will be moving forward. You go, they're sweet, they go. There's no need of quarreling. There's no need of fighting. Talk to her in love. Not every time you must quarrel. Sometimes if it's even better, sometimes you also swallow it and wait for a better moment to speak. Better moment, don't retaliate immediately. Wait for better moment to speak. Sometimes my husband will just make me angry. Because men too, next time I will tell you the attitude of men. How we also have to tolerate them. No, me and my husband, not be saying we are perfect couple. I tell you just now, I said I be like man before. My husband calm me down. I stubborn die. I stubborn. As you see me say, I like anything. I be if you find me, I go pursue you with the ending. Now here I be. If you find me, I go pursue you. I always say, hey, till the last blood is on my vein, I will never let you go. You get? Apart from maybe family member, I will say, I will just keep them quiet. But if now outsider, I go make money from your head because I know they like to be wrong. But with my husband, he calm me down. So next time I will also tell the women, the men attitudes as well. But men, you guys are the head. And we are here. Now carry the marriage certificate. So correct your wife. Love your wife. Touch her in that place. Touch her. Some men not sabi touch. Touch her. We are married. You are married. I am married. You wanted my advice. Touch that place. Make it wet before you touch. Not be say you go to use all finger. Go to scratch the thing. If the woman wants, say make you. If you tell her make it come tomorrow, she go put on her sports shoes and run. Don't scratch it. Don't scratch it. Touch her. Touch her. Okay. Thank you so much. Love is a beautiful thing. Don't get it twisted. Please. Don't forget to contact Zara Organic Skincare Empire. Actually, this is the cream I have been using. Many people wanted to know. So, I will make also a short video for different kind of the way I actually take care of my face, the way I take care of my body, Though right now, if you look at my face, I'm not looking good because I have this, I'm allergic to this pollen, to this flower during summer. So during summer, my face always look like tired. My nose is always inching me. My throat will be inching me. My ears, sometimes my eyes will be swollen. My voice will be dim. So I'm allergic to this flower outside, yeah. Some certain kind of flower, they call it pollen, yeah. So I do take tablets, guys. You say, why are you crying? Somebody's crying. Somebody's crying. Oh my God, why are you crying? Oh, somebody's crying. Oh, this person won't make me cry now. Why is she crying? Can you call me, please? Eh? Somebody is crying. Can you call me? Please, you have our number 0043-681-8111-5067. Please, can you call me? Because what I'm talking about right now is not a reason to cry. Please, can we talk about it? Let's talk about it, please. There's always a solution for every problem. Eh? Let me look for her. Please, my wonderful sister, I would be glad if you can. I don't want to mention your name. I don't want to mention your name. Please, you know yourself. Can you call me? Please, I don't know if this video will go viral tomorrow or so. Please, I will be glad if you can call me. Let me write my number there very much. Guys, I'm very sorry. She is now very much important to me. She is very more important to me. I'm so sorry. Next time, I will do better. Let me get 0681 8111 5067. I will be expecting your call right now through WhatsApp. Okay, you can also flash me direct. I can call you direct if that is the issue. I will not wait for too long. Okay. So Zara Organic Skincare. I will show you guys, like as I was saying, during summer, don't mind me, my face. It takes time. Sometimes my eyes will be swollen, itching, scratching. I do take medication for that allergic. But if you look at me now, it will look like as if I'm sick. It will look like as if I'm tired. And the tablet as well makes me tired. Okay? Because normally it's not so strong. Now I have to take 2 tablets every day. Normally 1 a day. But the allergic is really disturbing me. So everybody might be allergic to anything. But that is not a problem. Accept my face the way it is. Don't say, this woman look somehow. Sometimes I will just look dark. Now the allergy, this thing can disturb me, eh? You know, and that is why sometimes you see me, I touch my nose. My nose always, you know, scratching me, okay? So I'm going to really present the kind of cream I use. Oh my gosh, you know now, when I started this live video that year now, you know, as I find out, so now they ask me, say, this is the cream I use from this woman, from this Zara Organic. She supplied me immediately, I asked for it. I have another one, Glow Oil. I have everything. You get, especially with this syrup. I always use it to like wash my face, you know, the syrup to clean my face. We have so much. I have so much, guys. So I'm going to present it for you guys. This is a cleanser. We have cleanser as well. We have so many. She has so many. Please, I want you to kindly patronize her because our cream and soap and everything is really quality. But wait for it. I'm coming to make sure. You say, God bless you for your teaching. Oh, thank you so much. No, next time I'm coming for better. All right, I hope I'm able to encourage this at my brother, because sometimes when a woman is not sound, just find out why. Not by aggression, not by quarreling, not by fighting. Sometimes I am down, sometimes you are up. When you are up, take care of me. When I am up, you are down. We will now take care of each other like that, because we will now get to understand that every day can never be my day. Every day can never be your day. Okay? Men, always calm down. You have to calm down. You know, even Jesus Christ went on his knees for that woman that did pee in the Bible. Eh? Jesus went down. So you going down to your wife, you are putting more respect on yourself. Nobody outside have to know it. Humble yourself before God. Respect your wife. Respect is a reciprocal. What you give is what you get. If you are calling your wife a dog, one day she will grow up and then learn how to bark and bite. You understand? So treat your wife like a little child. I want to order. Oh, I will be so glad. The number is already pinned. Please, guys, I know I trust you guys. Order. These are the cream I'm using, but I'm coming for real to really, you know, to really use my cream, to really let you know how I use it, how I mix it. I mix it with oil. I will show everything together, how I use it. All right, this keep my skin glowing all the time. All right, I will really come and show you guys. Thank you so much. Love is a beautiful thing. Please don't get it twisted. My wonderful sister, I still have you in mind. Please call me and let me know why you are crying. I think the message I just left touched her. I'm sorry I never meant to make you cry. I know this message must have touched you. I wish you love. I wish you peace. I wish you joy, harmony. Okay, make your life the way you want it. If your husband is not treating you right, or you have made a little mistake before in the past, going down on your knees shouldn't be too difficult for anybody to do. Kneel down. I do kneel down for my husband. He's only 6 months older than me. I kneel down for my husband. I do. Not be saying I sabi do all those things. I sabi bebe. Mona ask grat. I sabi bebe for Africa. You know understand? The way I dey bebe for my husband self, my husband too na hard man before. He come to maybe he not love me like that. Oh, he can't just love me well. So let's play game. Let's play game. Relationship is a game. Let's play it and make it interesting. Because if now only me they win, where you they make game, like say you they do game now, like normal playing of card, and only me they win, the play will not be interesting. Allow the other partner as well to win. Play the game and make it interesting. Thank you so much and remain blessed. Tomorrow we'll definitely see us. Thank you. Continue to follow, continue to be there. Love you guys plenty. Bye-bye.